Hello, my friends. This is Valerie from Sure Scrap Slot, and I'm coming to you today with part 2 of my Cricut tips from yesterday. Yesterday, we talked about how to upload an SVG file or document or image, whatever you want to call it, into Design Space. And today, what I want to do is talk to you about uploading an image so that you can use it in Print and Cut. Okay, and so you are going to start exactly the same over here on the upload button. You're going to click on that, and then you can see here is the image that we uploaded yesterday. I'm going to click on upload image again, and I'm going to click on browse. Okay, and I'm already in Cricut stuff. I don't want to be in the Crisp Bear collection. That's where we were yesterday. I want to find printable stickers bundle. There we go. And I want family Christmas stickers bundle. And I think I picked this one. Oh, my dear. Okay, so I'm just going to double click on that. And now you can see here we have the image inside of Design Space. And it's very clear, crisp, clean. I'm going to click continue. And because this is such a great image already, we don't have to do any editing, no background removing, no color changes, no nothing. So we're going to just apply and continue. And then now we get into the part where you have a choice. This is fairly new to Cricut. It's a couple years old, but it's still fairly new. All right, if you want to cut it into multiple layers, this is what you'll get. All right, and you won't get as many colors, but you will get the 2 layers. All right, if you wanted to cut it as a single layout or single layer, sorry, then you would get just a black blob or color, whatever color you chose to cut. This is the one we want, flat graphic. All right, so this tells Cricut that we want this image, and you're only going to cut around the outside. Okay, so we're just clicking OK. And now here it's giving us the title of that file, Christmas Family Stickers. So I think I'm going to say Christmas. Oh dear. And then in the tags, anything I think I want to, I might be searching on it. So I'm going to say sentiment. Oops. Sentiment. I'm going to say holiday. What else do I want to say? Antlers. Okay, I think that'll do it. Okay, and you can put it into a collection that you already have if you want, or you can create a new collection to make it even easier to find later. And I'm happy with all of that, so I'm going to just click on upload. And be prepared because these images always come out huge. So I'm just going to change that to something that we can actually see. Okay, and there you go. All right, now if you wanted to see it a little bit more clearly, we can change the background color. And there you can see that it's all ready to cut. No problemo. All right, I think that's it. That's as easy as it gets. All right, and you'll notice up in here it says print, then cut. Okay, and so all you have to do is select it and away you go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Leave me a comment or email to info@surescrapslot.com. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share. We'll be talking to you very soon.